What is 360-degree feedback and how does it work? 360-degree feedback, which is also known as multi-rater feedback, is a process in which anonymous feedback is gathered about an employee from people they have working relationships with. These people usually include the employee's manager, peers, direct reports, and stakeholders, hence the name 360-degree. The employee who is being assessed is known as the ratee, and the people who assess the employee are known as the raters. What is 360-degree feedback used for? 360-degree feedback is commonly used as a development tool because it provides information about a ratee's work competencies, observable behaviors, and working relationships. It helps ratees recognize their strengths and weaknesses and consequently helps them become more effective. Why is it called 360-degree plus feedback? Conducting a 360-degree survey used to be a complex and costly process, often involving external consultants and many work hours. At People Dynamics, we offer a customizable competency list and state-of-the-art feedback technology called the 360-degree plus feedback system. Clients can tailor-fit their 360-degree feedback implementation to the competency framework used within their organization. What competencies does the 360-degree plus feedback system measure? The 360-degree plus feedback system measures 3 competencies, namely core, organizational, and leadership competencies. Core competencies are those abilities that are considered as vital across all positions. Organizational competencies are the abilities an employee can possess to contribute to profitable job performance and the achievement of organizational goals. Finally, leadership competencies are those that involve the knowledge, skills, and attributes essential to executive, managerial, or leadership roles. How does the 360-degree plus feedback system work, and who are involved? During a 360-degree feedback process using our technology, around a sufficient number of raters complete an anonymous online feedback form. Only individuals who have worked with or know the ratee sufficiently long should be considered as raters. The raters are then arranged into groups depending on their relationship with the subject, such as manager, peers, direct reports, or stakeholders. The ratee of the feedback also completes the same online feedback form. Once all feedback data are collected, our 360-degree plus feedback system generates 2 types of user-friendly reports, namely the individual feedback report and the critical competency alignment report. The first user-friendly report of the feedback system, which is the individual feedback report, allows the ratee to see how his or her self-ratings compare to the ratings given by the raters. The individual feedback report has 2 sections, the competency section and the analysis section. The competency section identifies the ratings of each rater group, while the analysis section breaks down any rating discrepancies among the rater groups. Our feedback technology also produces a narrative summary that provides the behavioral interpretations of each competency. The narrative summary has a section with some coaching and development tips for the ratee to improve his or her performance or behavior in a given competency. The narrative summary also has a section that lays down the ratee's strengths and weaknesses, which the raters have provided. The second user-friendly report of the feedback system, which is the critical competency alignment report, describes the alignment of the competencies that the manager and the ratee deem most important. Step up your feedback process with the 360-degree plus feedback system, a tool that our clients hail for its thoroughness, cost-effectiveness, and long-term results.